everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing Rakuten with Kudos. So let's get right into it. Rakuten is basically a browser extension and mobile app that gives cashback at 3,500 plus stores when you shop online. It is up to 10% cashback at top retailers and quarterly payouts via PayPal or check. It is completely free to use and works on desktop and mobile, as you can see I'm using right now. It is best for straightforward cashback at thousands of retailers. So now if you compare it with Kudos, as Kudos can't be open on my region as it's not available, so I'll just explain it on this. It is a smart wallet assistant that automatically applies the best credit card rewards and cashback offers when you check out. It helps you stack your credit card points with the store rewards, often leading to higher overall savings. It is also free, but it mainly benefits users with multiple credit cards and stuff. It is best for maximizing your credit card rewards and cashback stacking. As you can see the reviews over the website, it's pretty fair, pretty good, which is 4.4 almost. Now the final verdict will be choose Kudos if you want to maximize your credit card rewards effortlessly, and choose Rakuten if you want simple cashback without credit card dependency. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.